Associate Professor Ana Sequeira studies marine megafauna. Part of that involves going into the field to collect data on these ocean giants.
My first field trip with megafauna, marine megafauna, was with whale sharks. Yeah, so that was the reason why I came to Australia in the first place. I wanted to work with whale sharks, and that's what I did my PhD on.
As a PhD student, she dived off Ningaloo Reef in Western Australia to find whale sharks and track their movements to better understand their behaviour.
The whale sharks travel entire ocean basins if they want to, so to me that was fantastic, how an animal could just go wherever they wanted underwater. I wanted to understand how they did it, where did they go?
Questions she's been able to answer, thanks to analytical work she does back in the office. Associate Professor Sequeira developed the first global distribution models for whale sharks, capturing the full range of their movements across the global ocean. It's work that has provided important context for species assessments and been used as evidence to change their conservation status from vulnerable to endangered.
We are entering a new era where there's a focus on protecting 30% of the oceans. And so where should those 30% be? My research is helping answering that question.
Today, Associate Professor Sequeira leads a group focused on marine megafauna conservation here at the Australian National University. She's concerned that we still don't have a full picture of the threats they face.
Shipping traffic is all over the global ocean now. Fishing has a massive footprint as well. Plastic pollution, noise pollution is everywhere in the ocean. And what really worries me is that we don't know what these changes are creating, what are the impacts that they are providing to these species.
So tracking these animals remains a crucial part of Associate Professor Sequeira's research. She goes on regular trips to sites such as Shark Bay in Western Australia to tag megafauna, including sharks, dugongs, and turtles. In 2020, she also founded a global initiative called MegaMove, which brings together tracking data from scientists around the world.
The dataset that we've put together with MegaMove involves almost 15,000 different tracks across more than 100 species.
She hopes her analyses will give us deeper insights into how we can use our oceans more sustainably and protect our marine creatures. For her outstanding contributions to marine biology, Associate Professor Sequeira has now been awarded the Fenner Medal from the Australian Academy of Science.